Hello, hello. Today we are going to work in the reading part. Today we are going to finish with the lesson number one. How are you today? Fine? Excellent. Do you still remember Max Goes Shopping? ¿Todavía recuerdas la historia? Yes? Okay. We are going to finish with this story. Okay, the page is the page number 39, reading lesson 1. Okay, and we are going to do our best writing about it. Okay, what you have to do is write the title of the story, vas a escribir el título de la historia, then circle the correct answers to complete each sentence. Aquí tienes dos opciones, vas a circular la que mejor hace para completar la oración. Por ejemplo, Max goes to, ¿a dónde va Max? Supermarket or cinema with mom? Of course, supermarket, yes. You are going to write and fill the blanks, okay? Vas a llenar los espacios en blanco. And finally, y finalmente, write it in the box, okay? La vas a escribir acá, okay? Excellent. You are going to complete this and look at the picture in order to complete this, okay? Mira las fotografías para que te puedas guiar y no tengas ningún problema, okay? With this, we are going to finish this lesson number one, okay? Max's Go Shopping. Okay, great. Very good. And remember, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email, and I'm going to give you assistance as soon as possible, okay? And please, whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.